you came in, what was the situation?
Oh,
What was the situation before you came in?
I had one broken tooth, another one that was broken into my upper jaw, and a partial that was constantly being repaired that just kept breaking.
Right, remember you told me.
Wouldn't stay. Food would fall all the time it was horrible.
How was it affecting you? Like
how was
life?
it? Oh,
like having like
it was so depressing. It really was. It was very difficult. I have a business. I got to do estimates and talk to people, and I'd be petrified that they were going to fall out of my mouth, and I was constantly having to push them up. And,
how about now? I mean, 6 weeks later now.
It's amazing. My life's changed. I mean, I'm eating. I feel comfortable. I can speak.
You look great too.
Yeah, and I feel everyone says the same thing. They're like, "Oh my God!" People that know me, and I'm like, "I know." People say, "I saw you the other day." I'm like, "Was I smiling?" Because So
it's great to be able to do this for you.
Oh my God, I really appreciate it so much, Al. You have no idea.
Well, this is so we're the halfway point.
Oh yeah.
What you have is temporaries.
Yeah.
So you're looking at another few months.
Sure.
And then you're gonna get your permanents.
Beautiful.
And they're gonna even look better than what you have.
I can't wait. I really can't.